Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome. On behalf of Ziauddin University Debating Championship, I, Rizma Hamid Beg, would like to welcome you all to the opening ceremony of the prestigious ZUDC 2021. Today marks an unprecedented day in our history as we celebrate 11 years of this competition. So without any further ado, let's start our day with the national anthem.
जिलों में रोशनी लाई ज़ियाउद्दीन कहलाई ये यूनिवर्सिटी जहाने ताज़ा की बातें शऊरो आ गई रोशन नई दुनिया की सौगातें जमाले फन कमाले फन जुलाई ज़ियाउद्दीन कहलाई ये यूनिवर्सिटी यहाँ पर कस्बे इल्मो आ गई रोशन फजीलत है ये सब कुछ साहिबाने इल्मो हिकमत की बदौलत है यहाँ इंसान और इंसानियत की बात होती है नया एक दिन निकलता है नई एक रात होती है यही है इसकी ज़ेबाई ज़ियाउद्दीन कहलाई ये यूनिवर्सिटी
Ziauddin University, established in 1995, has been a pioneer in the advancement of studies in Pakistan. What started out as one campus has since multiplied into 11 colleges, spanning areas of medicine, engineering sciences, management sciences, law, media sciences, and even Eastern medicine. In addition to helping the young minds of Pakistan excel, it has also worked on incorporating extracurriculars which challenge the minds of individuals and help them develop skills needed for their professional lives. One of the many extracurriculars that Ziauddin University strives to foster within its student body is public speaking, which is why we're standing here today. This year marks a special year for us as we celebrate our Silver Jubilee, celebrating 25 years of holding the bar high and providing quality education to the future of Pakistan. I'd now like to invite the Honorable Chancellor of Ziauddin University to share with us his welcome note. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Asim Hussain.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is a pleasure for me to welcome you all on the 12th Debating Championship of Ziauddin University. This is a meet which Ziauddin University holds every year so as to encourage students in public speaking. I would also like to tell you that Ziauddin University has completed its 25 years since its inception and is going to celebrate its Silver Jubilee this year. I wish to welcome all the participants who are coming to this debating competition, and it is good to hear that they are coming from all over the country, from both walks of education, both the Cambridge system and a local inter-system. And also there is a team from Germany which is coming. I especially welcome them and thank them for coming all the way to Pakistan. I wish all the participants who are here a pleasant stay in Karachi and have a good and pleasant time in the university. I also thank the organizers for putting up such a wonderful event. Thank you.
The Ziauddin University Debating Championship has worked on exposing the Karachi debating circuit to the highs and lows of parliamentary debate since 2010 and now has gone international with teams from across the globe joining in to participate on this one-of-a-kind experience. A trailblazer in all Asian parliamentary debate, ZEDC has helped students discover their love of debate and helped build confidence. This year, teams from all over Pakistan and abroad will debate it out in a battle of wits and words to claim the title of the undisputed debating champions of Pakistan. Now, I would like to introduce the president for ZEDC this year, Zoha Asghar. A third-year student, Zoha has been involved in the debating circuit for over 5 years and has been working with ZEDC since last year. She started out as a registrations manager and is now heading this event which, under her leadership, has thrived and is the biggest it has ever been. It is not an easy task to direct an event of this caliber whilst exploring new online platforms, but she has managed to yet again pull it off. A testament to her patience and understanding, here's Zoha Asghar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As I stand here today as the president, I think about the time when I was given the huge responsibility to spearhead a prestigious event such as this one, a venture that began in 2010 and went on to become an annual tradition. We strive to foster not only our participants' public speaking skills, but also provide them with an experience that they can cherish for the rest of their lives. Imbibed by excellence and diversity, we are known to welcome participants from all age groups and backgrounds. Whether you are a student or a graduate, whether you belong to an institution or register as a private team, whether you are about to kickstart your debating career or you're an experienced debater, we wholeheartedly welcome you to this platform. As we stand here at this auspicious occasion, this speech would be incomplete without mentioning our institution, Ziauddin University. I would like to thank our university for cultivating this culture of creating student leaders and opportunities such as this one, for it was not possible without the immense efforts of our university that I would be standing here today as your president. With immense gratitude, I would like to thank you, Ziauddin University, for making a great contribution to the debating circuit of Pakistan by organizing a frontrunner in all Asian parliamentary debating tournaments and providing the best facilities to their participants and the management team. The Office of Student Affairs, Dr. Almas and Sir Shabbar, who guided us to the best of their abilities, for always being available and backing their students up in times of confusion and serving as torchbearers throughout the organization of this event. Above all, I would like to thank institutions who encourage their students to be a part of ZUDC every year, and individual adjudicators who took their time out for making sure that our debate is intellectually stimulating, challenging, and a great learning experience for our young minds, which is essential for their public speaking careers. Our esteemed panel of chief adjudicators, Mr. Hamza Jami, Mr. Hamza Farooqi, Mr. Mahad Akbar, Ms. Zainab Tariq, and Ms. Tamkeen Nawab, who selflessly devoted their time and skills to maximize the academic quality of the tournament so that our participants walk away with rigorous debating and critical thinking skills. Our team of technical directors who are there to ensure that our tournament is run smoothly and that too on its first virtual platform. Lastly, my organizing team, a team of hardworking, diligent, and motivated individuals who were always willing to give their best. My chief advisor and inspiration, Iman Mir, who recognized my potential to head this event and guided me to navigate through a tournament of such a large scale. My vice president, Uneza Masood, who brilliantly managed the organization of this event since day one, shoulder to shoulder, along myself. Our treasurer, Abid Alex Gill, and a stellar team of directors and managers from each department: logistics, registrations, marketing, and a great team of volunteers. Our registrations department was headed by Alicia Zulfikar this year, who was assisted by her team of managers Rizma Hamid Beg, Naima Waqas, Nawal Ali, and Aisha Nasser. Our logistics department was headed by Mohammad Sarim Sheikh and Salman Khan, who were assisted by their team of managers, which included Zubaid Moazzam, Maria Hashim, Alian Sheikh, and Huzaifa Khan. And our marketing department was headed by Ahmed Wadood, who was assisted by Abida, S.N. Rajput, Arsam Sheikh, and Hamad. Before I conclude my speech, it would definitely be incomplete without a few special mentions. Without these people and their support, we would not be able to make this event what it is today. Mr. Saad Moin from Administration and Operations, Mr. Murtaza, Ms. Seher Nadeem, and Mr. Faisal Haroon from Marketing and PR Department, Mr. Ubaid, our Maintenance and Project Head, and Mr. Rahil from Food and Department Services. Thank you to each and every one of you for making this event what it is today. With this, I would like to conclude my speech and wholeheartedly welcome you to the 12th edition of ZUDC. May the truth always prevail. Happy debating.
One of the most important parts of parliamentary debate is adjudication, a skill that most people do not possess. To embody the spirit of a true adjudicator, one needs to shed societal constrictions and biases to judge a debate based on the argument presented. Leading from here, I would like to introduce the Chief Adjudication Panel, consisting of some of the best debaters and orators Pakistan has seen. This panel consists of Zainab Tariq, Hamza Farooqi, Mahat Akbar, Tamkeen Nawab, and is led by our very own Hamza Nadeem Jami. Mr. Jami has spearheaded debate in Pakistan and internationally, adjudicating some of the best tournaments in the world and leading teams to international victory. So here's what he has to say.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Hamza Nadeem Jami, and it gives me great privilege to be part of the CA team this year at the Ziauddin University Debating Championship 2021, better known as ZUDC. My first ZUDC was back in 2014, and I've heard of this tournament far long before that. It's been a backbone of the Karachi debating community since the very beginning. The first couple of ZUDCs, we didn't even have enough judges. And now we're one of the biggest tournament in the city. And we're very glad to have friends from all over the world here with us this year at this edition of the tournament. One thing I'd like to share with everyone with respect to that. At the very beginning, there were not enough judges at ZUDC such that we actually had to record some matches, and they were judged by an adjudicator after the rounds were done for the day. And then the tab was completed. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, debating has moved online. I think it's the resilience of this institution to carry on debating even in an online format is exemplified by the efforts put in by the host team to make sure that the event goes digital this year. I'm very, very excited to be working with all of you for the tournament this year, and I can't wait to see what we have in store for you as far as this is concerned. Good luck to everyone. May the force be with you. And I'm looking forward to quite a lot of fun over the course of this weekend. Let's have a nice Valentine's weekend at ZUDC. See you all.
ZUDC 2021 is amongst the biggest it has ever been. Because this year, we received teams from Cedar College, Lahore Grammar School, Government College University, Zabist, Karachi Grammar School, the Beacon House School, the City School, the Lahore Alma, International School Lahore, Learning Alliance, Kinniert College of Women University, Karachi University, Nixer College, HSN College, the Lyceum School, Liaquat University of Medical and Health Sciences Jamshoro, Huck Academy, SICAS, several private teams, and as we go international, even a team from Germany. With that, we will now proceed to what we have all been waiting for, the debate. The debate shall commence shortly after our chief adjudicator panel announces the motions and draws. The announcements will be live streamed on ZUDC's Facebook page. Marking the end of the opening ceremony, we hope to see a healthy debate and good luck.